Welcome back, everyone, to another deep dive into the world of AI tools. Today we're getting completely honest about Skywork AI, a platform that promises to be your ultimate companion for research, writing, and so much more. We're going to explore every single corner of their website to see if it lives up to the hype and whether it's the right tool for you. So let's not waste another second and jump right in. Skywork AI presents itself as a powerful large language model platform designed to empower both individuals and businesses. The core idea is to provide a robust AI that can handle a wide array of tasks, from content creation and complex problem solving to acting as a sophisticated research assistant. The website highlights its advanced natural language processing capabilities, suggesting it can understand and generate human-like text for various applications. It strongly positions itself as a tool for enhancing productivity and innovation, offering solutions that can be integrated into different workflows to streamline operations and boost creativity. However, to be completely honest, this review is based solely on the information available on their website, and that reveals a major negative aspect. While the site talks extensively about the model's features and potential benefits, it is surprisingly light on the specifics of how you actually access. There is no immediately visible Try Now button or a clear link to a demo or a free tier that users can experiment with. This lack of immediate accessibility can be a significant barrier. It's hard to get a genuine feel for the AI's interface, its speed, or the true quality of its output without hands-on experience. The website focuses more on enterprise-level solutions and potential partnerships, which is great for businesses but might leave individual users or small creators. This service offers 4 main subscription tiers: Free, Basic, Standard, and Pro. The free plan is $0 and offers limited trials and daily login credits. The basic plan costs $19.90 per month or $238.80 per year and includes a monthly credit allowance and a few more features like professional database trials. The standard plan is $39.90 per month or $478.80 per year, offering significantly more monthly credits and increased access to features like professional database queries. The top-tier Pro plan is $199.90 per month or $2,398.80 per year and provides a very large monthly credit allowance along with unlimited access to professional databases. All paid plans support credit package purchases and provide recurring login credits with the best value offered through annual billing. And that's a wrap on my honest review of Skywork AI based purely on their website. It sounds like a potentially powerful engine for business and research. Have you had a chance to use Skywork AI yourself? Let me know your experiences down in the comments below. I'm genuinely curious. If you found this first look helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest AI tool reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.